Self-care for depression. We all have days when we feel sad and a bit low, but when this wretchedness lasts for a long period, for months or years, it can point towards depression. It is a disorder that can affect everything you do in your daily life. No matter how down or out of control you feel, it's important to remember that you're not powerless when it comes to depression. Before we start the video, if you like our video, please hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on mental health awareness and learning. Coming back, beyond the treatment you get from your therapist, there are many things you can do for yourself to reduce your symptoms and stay on track. Here are some practical tips to keep depression at a bay. For simple sources of joy, while you can't force yourself to have fun, you can push yourself to do things that will boost your mood throughout the day. Try listening to uplifting music or watching funny videos on YouTube or episodes of your favorite web series. Maintain a schedule. Your lifestyle choices, including your sleeping, eating, and exercise patterns, have a significant impact on your moods. Lots of individuals have lost their usual routines, and that unstructured time can also lead to high-risk factors of depression. There are many things that you can do in your daily life to get your symptoms under control and to keep depression and mania at bay. Schedule your day down to the hour. Create a set of goals for the week and the month, and then make some long-term goals. Get moving. Exercising is one of the last things you feel like doing when you're depressed, but it's also one of the most effective ways of boosting your mood. Regular exercise can be just as effective as antidepressant medication in relieving depression. Know your triggers and warnings. It is necessary to recognize the warning signs of an upcoming manic or depressive episode. Make a list of early symptoms that preceded your previous mood episodes. Also try to identify the triggers or outside influences. Develop a wellness toolbox. It is helpful to have a wellness toolbox to draw from during any warning signs of mania or depression. A wellness toolbox consists of coping skills and activities you can do to maintain a stable mood. Some tools are: do something creative or fun, exercise, take time for yourself to relax and unwind. Seek safe support. Millions of people battle the dark depths of depression every single day, and it's not that easy to overcome these dark depths. Seeking safe support from a person who you feel understands you, accepts you, respects you, and welcomes all your feelings would help in relieving the pain. A safe support person could be a friend, a family member, or a professional. Remember, depression exists on a continuum of severity, ranging from relatively mild, short-term phases of low mood to severe, long-term symptoms that have a major impact on a person's quality of life. When a person's symptoms have reached the sustained end of spectrum, it requires a professional treatment. We hope you like this video. For more videos on mental health awareness and learning, visit us at healthyminds.world, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the icon below.